everyone. So let's look at question number 34 of GATE 2024 psychology paper. Now this question says, which theory states that people try to regulate their emotions to minimize the distress caused by a situation. Now the options that you have over here are problem focused coping, general adaptation syndrome, cognitive appraisal and emotion focused coping. Now as you can say that we are talking about regulating emotions, so काफ़ी हद तक इससे आपको अंदाज़ा लग गया होगा दैट द ऑप्शंस जो हमारे पास दिए हैं उनमें से करेक्ट आंसर होगा इमोशन फोकस्ड कोपिंग. नाउ if we talk about cognitive appraisal, it is very much related to your mental abilities, and emotion focused coping is related to emotion control. सो इन सभी ऑप्शंस में से अगर हम कॉग्निटिव अप्रेजल की बात करें, डेफिनेटली ये आंसर नहीं है, और हमारा आंसर क्या है, इमोशन फोकस्ड कोपिंग.